Hi guys, in this video we'll be seeing how to create a new category on your online store. To create a new category, click on Products and then click on Categories. Here you'll get the list of categories that are already created on your online store. To add a new category, click on Add New Category. It will show you the form for adding new category. First thing that we need to give is the category name. I'll give the name of the category that I want to create. Then it's asking me to select the parent category. If you want to create a new parent category, then no parent category should be selected. If you want to create a category which is a child category, then you need to select the parent category under which this child category will be created. I want to create a child category. I'll select the parent category under which this child category will be created. I'll select collections, man, clothing. Under this parent category, I want t-shirts to be created. So I'll select this. Next, it is asking me to give the description. If the design of your online store supports category description, then it will be shown on the category page. I'll skip this. After this, it is asking you to select the category image. Again, if the design of your online store supports category image, then it will be shown. To select an image from your machine, you need to click on Choose File and then select the image. Again, for the category that I'm creating, I'm going to skip this. Next, it is asking you to provide the SKU code prefix. When you add a new product under this category, the SKU prefix provided here will be automatically added to the SKU code of the product. I'll let this SKU code prefix remain as it is. I'll also let status remain as it is. To complete creating of category, I'll click Save. It shows the success message. Voila! You have successfully created a new category on your online store.